In this video, we'll be going through step by step and replacing the battery in an Audi S3 key fob. This is an easy process that can be done at home. All you'll need to get it done is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and you'll just need one of those. These are inexpensive. You can get them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. Now to get started, just take the device, flip it over. Down here on the bottom where this metal keyring part is, inside of there, there's a little indentation, a lip under the plastic. So you're going to stick it in under the plastic there and just gently pry back. And this back section of plastic will come right off. Now we just need to get the battery out. You need something that can fit into this opening right there. My screwdriver is a little bit large. It just doesn't get in there. You could at home use a paper clip or just anything that can get in there. I will be, if I can find my screwdriver, there we go. I'll be using this small precision screwdriver, and you can see how you just get under and pry the battery up and out. Okay, there we go. I'll show you that one more time. And if you don't have the proper tool or you wanted to get something like what I'm using here, I will also just put this in the description. This is a set of precision screwdrivers that works very well for this application, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon, so you can go check that out. But all we want to do is go in with our instrument and pry up. The battery will come right out. So grab your new CR2032. When you're ready to put it in, make sure that the positive side is facing up, and you'll just slide and click that into place so that it sits flat in there. Now all you need to do is click the back piece on there and you are finished. You can check to make sure that light is coming on. That means you did everything correctly. And that's all it takes. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.